So just keep on clicking on that link, keep on clicking on the second URL. Okay, so it's going to display something like this. So, and there is every possibility that you might not encounter search while trying to build your own sales page. Okay, so once you arrive on this dashboard, this is your back end. This is the WordPress dashboard. This is for the admin only. Okay, so the next thing you need to do here now is to install the plugins we need for this particular sales page. Okay, now we're making use of three different plugins. Okay, the first plugin is the classic editor plugin. Okay, the second plugin is the always legal pro, while the third plugin is the Thrive visual editor. Okay, so let's go ahead now and install these three plugins. Now you come here to plugins, you come to add new, click on add new plugin, click on add new plugin. Okay, so it's going to load up. All right, now this is the classic editor here. This is the classic editor. So the first thing you do is to click on install now to install this particular plugin. Then after installing, the next thing you do is to click on activate. So whenever you install any plugin, you should activate. It's a must for you to activate. Okay, so you have the classic editor plugins there already. Okay, so the next plugin we're going to install now is the Thrive visual editor. So you come right here to add new plugin, click on add new plugin. So this particular plugin, the Thrive visual editor and the always legal pro, I'm going to add it to the resources section of this particular training. Okay, you can't find those plugins here. If you find them here, you're going to pay for them. Okay, you're going to pay for those plugins if you find them here. So I'm going to add it to the resources part of this training. Okay, so all you need to do now is to come to upload plugin, then click on choose file. So it's going to redirect you to your system file. Now this is the Thrive visual editor here. I'm going to give you this and this for free in this training. Each of these plugins cost not less than $100. All right, so I'm going to give you this for free this training. Now all you need to do is to click on the Thrive visual editor. Just click on it, double click. Okay, then you come here and click on install now. Then you hold on and let it install. It might take few minutes, but all you need to do is just to hold on and let it install. Okay, now our plugin has been installed successfully. So the next thing you need to do now is to click on activate plugin. Do not forget this, always activate your plugins. Okay, awesome. So we've activated that. You can see Thrive dashboard. Okay, so the last plugin here is the always legal pro. Click on add new plugin, click on upload plugin, click on choose file, then you have it here, always legal pro. Then you come down here to install now. So and you hold on and let it install. Okay, this has been installed successfully. Then you come down here again to click on activate plugin. All right, now our plugins has been activated successfully. Okay, so let's just come here to our dashboard. Now the next thing you need to do now, after installing your plugins and you've activated all the plugins, the next thing you should do now is to start designing our sales page. So you come here to pages and click on add new page. Add new page. Then let's give our page a name. Let's give it home. Okay, then you come here to templates, click on this. Okay, click on this and decide to select anyone here. Okay, but let's leave our own as default template. All right, so you come here and publish. Click on publish. Okay, So having done that, the next thing you should do now is to come here and edit with Thrive Content Builder. Then click on it. All right, so you have it here. The next thing you should do is to come here to Thrive Landing Pages, click on it, then come here to choose landing page, click on it. Then these are the templates you have in Thrive. Thrive has a lot of templates that you can use for your landing pages. You can see you can choose any of these and design your landing page. You can see, so you can decide to choose any of these and design your landing page. So I'm going to go with this first one. So you click on it, you can see it's going to mark here, it's going to tick here. The next thing you do is to come here, come down and click on load landing page. Click on load landing page. Awesome. So this is our landing page. This is the template we're going to use. So all you need to do is just to edit the content you have on this template to your own content. Edit all of these information to your own information. Okay, so let's get that done now. This is a landing page. I don't need a logo. So let me delete this section. Let me just delete the full section from here. Okay, so we've deleted that section. So I want to change this guy here, this picture here. Okay, all you need to do is just to click on it once. Just tap that picture. Okay, so the next thing you do is to come down here, look at change image here, click on change image, come here to upload files, select files, then it's going to take you to your system file manager. And I think I have a picture here I want to use. Okay, so you go to the particular image you want to use on your PC, then you select. Okay, I'm going to use this. If you just double click, then you come down here and click on insert into post. Wait, let it turn to blue. Okay, now you click on insert into post. All right, so you can see the image here. So you can decide to work on the size. Just click on it once, look at the size here. You can reduce it, you can increase it. Let me leave it that way. Okay, then you come here, cancel this way, then you come up here and save changes. That's where you save your work, save changes. Okay, that has been saved. So the next thing you do is now to edit all the content we have here. Let's edit our content here. Now we'll be using this sales page. We'll be using this particular sales page. Okay, so I'm going to copy what we have here. Control C. Okay, then come back here. Let's paste what we just copied here. So all you need to do is just to click on this. Okay, you can see it now. Let's click from here. Then you highlight all of this. Then Control V, you paste that there. So let's work on the size now. You click on it. Then you come here to the font size. Let's make it 40. Okay, make it 40. Then click on enter. All right, so I think I love it this way. So let us edit what we have here. Let's make it join my tutorial now. Join my tutorial now. So let's delete this. Okay, so you cancel from here, then you save changes. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to edit this part. So let's come here again. I'm going to copy this. Okay, Control C. Then you come back here. Control A to highlight, or Control V to paste. Now let's work on the size now. On the font size, click on it and reduce this. I want it to be 20. Then click on enter. Okay, cancel from here. All right, I love it this way. Okay, now this is a button here. I don't want this button here. I want to insert my own button myself. So you can cancel this from here. Now this is how to add button to your own landing page. Okay, now take for instance you want to add elements that are not here to it. Let me work on this image. The image is coming down here. Let me work on it. Let's reduce the size of that image so that it will land on that section. Okay, so cancel from here and let's save our work. Okay, now that has been saved. Now take for instance you want to add button now, and now you don't have button here again. Take for instance you want to add button, or you want to add a text to your page. What do? Come down here to this part. This is text, this is WordPress content, this is image, this is button, this is an icon. Okay, so for this particular page I want to add a button to this particular section. All I need to do is just come here, then left click and drag, left click and drag, then drop it here, drop it here. Now what you need to do is to click on it. Okay, align to the center. I want to align to the center. Okay, now let's do some kind of editing on the button. So you come here to link settings, click on link settings, then this is the button text. So what do you want them to read on that button? Join my tutorial. Now then you click on enter. Okay, you can see that here. Now this is the button URL. The button URL simply means when they click on that button, where is it going to redirect them to? So let me show you something here. Let's save this work, save changes. Okay, now this is the page you're working with, right? Now this is a button here. We have a button here, proceed to make payments. Now when you click on this button, let's see where it's going to take us to. Now this is going to take us to my seller page. This is my seller page. Okay, this is my seller page. Okay, so if I should copy this link now, let's copy this link, Ctrl C. All right, then bring it here and paste it inside this button URL. Ctrl V, then cancel this, then save changes. Now by the time we are done with this page, by the time we are done with the design of this page, when we click on this particular button, it's going to take us to a page like this. It's going to take us to this place. Okay, so the URL you want to put here should be where you want your user or your buyer or your prospective clients to be redirected to once they click on that button. Okay, take for instance you want to sell to them directly from your WhatsApp, so you can put your WhatsApp link here. After generating the link from war.link, okay, you can insert your WhatsApp link here. Then whenever they click on this particular button, it's going to redirect them straight to your WhatsApp. Okay, so that's what it is, just there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to check all of this. Now these ones we are seeing here are testimonials. These are testimonials here. These are testimonials. Okay, so we're working with this particular page. Let's proceed working with this page. So after this section, what do we have? We have a video here. This is a video. This is a YouTube video. So it is always advisable to, when you are adding a video to your page, to your website, always add a YouTube video. The first thing you should do is upload that particular video to your YouTube. Upload that particular video on your YouTube channel. Then the next thing you do is to copy the video link, then come to your website and insert that particular link on your website. Okay, this is because of your storage page, because of your hosting, your domain storage space. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to copy this video link. I right click, then copy video URL. How do I get this? Just right click, then copy video URL, click on it. So I've copied the link. Now you come back here to where you have this. Now you want to add a video here. Okay, so what do? You come here to look for where you have videos. Just come down to check for more elements. Check for more elements. You see responsive video. Just keep checking. All right, this is a video here. See, responsive video. So you left click and drag. Okay, let's drop it here. Let's drop it on that here. Okay, now this is the video here. But the next thing you need to do now is to click on add video. You can see the video type YouTube. Okay, on YouTube already. So you come here and paste the video URL. URL will just copied from here. So let's paste it here now. Okay, Control V. So you've seen that there now. Okay, so all you need to do is just to come here, cancel this, and even before you save changes, you can see the video is there already. Awesome. So then you come here and save changes. All right.